WoofyNoise AI Installation and Setup Guide. First, download WoofynoiseAI. If your browser blocks the file, choose Keep so the download can continue. Next, click Install and follow the on-screen instructions. WoofyNoiseAI will install on your computer. Make sure to also install VB Audio Virtual Cable. This is required so WoofyNoiseAI can send cleaned audio to other apps. Copy-paste your token. After installation, open WoofyNoiseAI and choose your real microphone as the input. For example, select microphone AB13X USB audio or your own USB microphone. Then set speaker output to cable input, VB-audio virtual cable. Open your Windows sound settings and keep your normal headphones or speakers as the default playback device. This sends WoofyNoiseAI cleaned audio into the virtual cable. Finally, now open Zoom, Discord, or Chrome. In Zoom, Discord, or Chrome microphone settings, select Cable Output, VB Audio Virtual Cable as the microphone.